Welcome back, guys. This is Srewolf and this is Havoc Airsoft. And guess what? It's spooky season and we're gonna carve pumpkins airsoft style. Hell yeah. Let's get right to it. What are you doing?
On hair.
You don't need hair. You're not gonna shoot hair out.
You need hair. You can't have a food without hair.
Look at mine. Look at yours. Show it.
That's perfect.
All right, we're done. Now we're down at the end. We've concluded the. We're gonna see who did it better. What do you think? Havoc Airsoft or Srewolf's? You be the judge. See you in the next video. This is his first pumpkin ever, so we didn't know how he'd react, whether you'd like it or not.
What is that?
Check it out. What is it? What is that? Yeah, get it, boy. Get it. All right, let's smash that pumpkin. Throw it down as hard as you can. Just make sure he's not in the way.
Watch out. Ready? Nope. One more time. Ready? There you go.
Get some. Hey, break a piece off and get it to him.
There you go. You want some? Want some chicken?
Get it.
Dog, I thought you would tear that up.
Yummy.
Clearly he is not a pumpkin spice
Is that
dog.
good? Is that good?
Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. And comment down below Havoc for Havoc and Srewolf for Srewolf. Whoever had the better pumpkin carving. And do me a solid, hit that like button, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.